Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this wig. I got her in the butter lace, and this is the wet lace wig. I also got her in the style unit 13, and I love this hair. What caught my eyes is when she had this hair on the video, and I was like, I have to get those streaks in my head. I also got her in the Hazelnut, and I really love this hair. It honestly matches my skin, and that's just something that I was going for. It looks like a brown and a black, or a number 2 or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna take this out of the pack. Yeah, this is a really soft wig, and it actually stops like right here. The part is so deep, actually looks like your scalp. Okay, so they gave us 3 combs, but we are not going to be using those today. I actually don't really have to go in and pluck anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on really quick, and this is just something that I'm going to do. And they also sent me this wig as well, so thank you. absolutely love this unit. I'm gonna shoot everything down in my description box, so all you gotta do is just scroll up on this video and look right down in that box, because this unit will be right there waiting on you, okay? Like, this wig is so freaking hot, and I promise you it'll be hot on you. All you gotta do is just throw it on, and you don't even have to add any type of powder, foundation, or anything, okay? This wig is waiting on you. Like, let me show you one of the pieces. So right here, you don't really have to put any type of, wait a minute, you don't have to put any type of nothing on it, because look how it's seeking into my skin. Look at that. So you don't really have to put any type of foundation nor concealer on there, or whatever you guys put on there. You guys can do whatever you want with your wig. I'm just telling you, I honestly didn't have to put anything on, so there's just something about that. This is one of their wet lace wigs, and I absolutely love this unit. This unit is very, very flat, and it's so smooth to the point that I can just rub my hands in it. There's no tangling and no shedding. This is an ear-to-ear lace, so if you guys are looking forward to that and you don't really have to struggle putting it on, this is also a big head friendly wig for those who has a big head friendly. My head is very, very small, so it's like I didn't have to go in and wrap the lace or anything. I can also say that this is a very, very full unit, so if you guys are looking forward to a full unit and not, you know, a flat unit, you know how you get a synthetic wig and it's like not how you want it, and it's very, very like light and not heavy. This is like something where it's very, very thick. I fell in love with the bangs right when I took it out the package. I'm like, yeah, the lace blends in with my skin so much. I can say that this unit is 14 inches long. If I did go in and stretch this hair, I can honestly say that I love short wigs, like something that's right here, something where it's not too long. I was looking forward for something where it's not that long, and I can honestly say that I absolutely love this wig. Very, very soft, very, very pretty. Like, it's so soft to the point that I can think that this is a fucking human wig. Sorry if I'm cursing, but I can actually say that this hair is so fucking hot. I like how it's like going into a style, and I can just say that, girl, if you're looking for a unit that has a lot of colorful streaks, they also have like a lot of different colors. They have like burgundy. They also have like a honey blonde or something. But I absolutely love the hazelnut because it actually blends into my skin